This is to synchronize my voice. Hello there, viewers. It is the Cassette Master, and I am being monitored by Luke Holdeman's drone. Now come with me, and I will show you around my neck of the woods. So, here we are around my neck of the woods, and I just want to say that it's a simple area to live in Conway, Arkansas. The gimbal is shaking! It's the end of the world! Anywho, so as I come forth, this drone is an amazing piece of equipment. It literally follows me. It's literally following me on its freaking own, man. It's like, how do you describe it? It's mesmerizing to literally walk around and you're being followed by a little drone. It's the most adorable thing to watch this little drone come and follow you, just hovering there in the air. Just watch it for yourself. So you can see this drone, man. It's just, I walk around and, oh gosh, no, don't, hey Luke, don't let it hit the tree. Okay, good, it's fine, it's fine. So, I walk further, and the little guy follows me. Like, it's bizarre, man. It's just, technology is just unbelievable, man. Like, it's incredible, man. It's freaking amazing, man. I mean, let me walk up to this little drone, okay? Let me walk up to this little drone, okay? I mean, this thing, man, bro. I just can't believe it. I can't believe it, man. I can't believe it, man. I love it. I love it. Let's see if it knows what to do. It's confused. It's confused. Where am I? Where am I in this? Oh, okay. Let me put my phone away. Oh, whoa. Hello. So, oh my. This bloody phone, man. This bloody phone can be a thing to deal. Okay, a beast of burden. So, anyway, come with me, and I will show you. So my house is the one right that I'm pointing at. There's a Toyota Prius, a 2012 Toyota Prius, sitting in my driveway. The garage is open, and inside the garage is a multitude of junk. Vintage stereos, tape recorders, and junk! I'm a hoarder. If you didn't know this already, I am a hoarder! I have a lot of crap! And that's not all my crap in the garage. I got a whole storage unit full of crap. So, come further. This little drone! Unreal. So we come further and, woo, hello. Oh, come here. So this is my house. You can probably see my house. And anyway, it's pretty cool. So here you can see inside my garage is a lot of junk, okay? A lot of friggin' junk. Now I want to show you Luke Holdeman. Oh gosh, don't let it hit the car, be careful. This is Luke Holdeman. You may have seen him in the Luke Presents video on a Philips Norelco 1320 cassette tape recorder. Well, this is Luke Holdeman. He's one of the most coolest people I've ever met. He's like a die-hard fan of drones and one of the coolest people in the universe.
Thank you.
And anywho,
Bro, I almost hit your car. The vision sensor stopped working.
Oh no.
It's low light.
Yeah.
And it doesn't work in low light, so it started going towards your car.
Oh
like,
gosh. We don't want this drone hitting my car anyway.
So I saved it, but we're gonna give you a bird's eye view of UCA.
So we're about to have a bird's eye view of UCA. Would you like to narrate this one?
Alright, so we are going up. Now the FAA limit for a hobbyist license is 400 feet, but we're going to go up to, because it's sprinkling, we're only going to go up to 200. And it's low battery.
Okay, we might want to get
But
the drone back soon if it's got
I've got enough to come back. I'm just going to go up here. We're going to do a nice little pano for you, and we'll just bring it back down. So I'm going a little bit fast. That's because I have 28% battery, but that's alright, because that is that's enough to bring it back, because I'm only 171 feet. So we're going to do a pan. We're going to bring it back down now. Alright, we're bringing it down.
Bringing that drone down.
My fingertips are
frozen,
so it's hard to control the drone.
Don't let it hit too hard. Slow it down, slow it down.
I got it.
Easy.
I got it, it's alright.
That little drone, man, that's the coolest little thing.
And we're gonna let it, nice little landing here. Nice, soft landing. And we're gonna stop recording.